Welcome to the Max Object Spotlight. Today's object is the select object. The select object is a very basic object with a simple yet extremely useful function. It takes any number of arguments of any kind and gives a bang whenever that message passes to the object. In short, its main purpose is as a notification of messages. Let's take a look at the patch. The top left cluster shows the select object in its simplest form. It has one argument of the integer 1. And bangs out the left outlet whenever that message is received. Any other messages are sent out the right outlet and no bang is output. When the object has one or no arguments, the select object has a second inlet which will set the value to be selected by the object. When I send the message 2 to this inlet, the message 1 is now sent out the right outlet and no longer bangs out the left outlet. Looking at the top middle cluster, we see this shows the select object with multiple arguments. Notice that the object can also be instantiated by simply typing SEL. Each argument corresponds to an outlet in the same order starting from the left. See here that since there are multiple arguments, the second inlet does not exist. All other functionality is the same. The third cluster is much like the second, only showing that the select object can take different kinds of arguments. So again, this is a very good message notification object, but this is not just a one-trick pony. Because the object outputs everything that is not any of the arguments, you can use the select object as a simple filter. In the bottom cluster, I've got a select object like the first one, but my number object above, I've limited messages to be between 0 and 127 to model a MIDI control number or value. So say for one reason or another, I don't want a no off message. I can just run the messages through my select 0 object, and everything I want will come out of the right outlet, and I've successfully filtered what I don't want. This is just a reverse approach to the select object, but it is really useful and shouldn't be overlooked or forgotten. Thanks for watching my Max Object Spotlight. Remember, the patch for this video is in the description below. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and leave a comment about another object you would like to see.